Hi everyone, welcome back to Signature Market, and my name is Ricky. Happy Deepavali to everyone. And when come to Deepavali, everybody is thinking how I going to do curry. Today I have a very quick solution for curry. We have a Signature Market curry paste, and I'm going to do quick mutton curry. You know, when come to mutton curry, especially me, I love to use coconut oil. Okay, let's light this up. Okay, you see the color. You know, this how it look like. Actually, you know, it's a very simple. You know, when you want to go somewhere or you want to use it anywhere you feel like, you can get this. You know, in a packet, like a sachet like that. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, once when we settle with this, get the heat up the oil. Okay, a quick one. As usual, we have cinnamon stick. Then I also have a mustard seed. Okay, I have a little bit of cumin. Okay, I can smell the coconut oil is actually starting to make me hungry. Be generous with the curry leaf. Give a small stir. Let it pop it up. Let's burn. Let's break the mustard seed. Everything. Okay, we have this. In this, we have 2 packets of curry paste. So what we're going to do, I'm going to add this up. We're going to add this. Okay, in 500 gram of mutton, we will use 2 packets of this. Okay, I'm going to add the mutton inside. Oh, look at that. Okay, stir it. When come to Deepavali, it's always about mutton and it's about rushing. So we don't want that anymore. Okay, we make it quick. Okay, stir this up. Okay. One, two. Make sure you squeeze it up, everything inside there. Look at that. Look at the mixture. Okay, in this paste, you no need to actually add any onion, garlic, ginger, everything is inside there. I'm just going to add a bit more water. Okay, I'm just going to add a bit more water, you know, roughly around 50 ml water. Let the mutton to cook, and also I'm going to add almond powder. Almond powder into a mutton, it's a bomb, you know, it's actually a secret. So I'm just going to add this. Because almond will produce the creamy structure, you know, you will feel the creamy inside. So let me give a stir. You know, while it's getting ready, I'm going to do a rice for this mutton. Okay, anyhow, let's get ready our rice. I actually already have a special rice. Probably people think, you know, mutton, oh, I'm going to get a cholesterol high and all that. But don't worry, Signature Market, we have a special rice. It's called NT3H rice. You know, you got basmati, brown rice, and quinoa rice. It's very healthy. I actually already prepared, and it's look like this. It's a very simple rice. I'm going to dish up this mutton when it's ready. It's almost ready. I think he's calling me. Oh, look at that. It's look like it's already cooked. You know, it's just fresh mutton. You only need 20 minutes to 30 minutes. It's done. If you think that you need more spicy chili, you can add the chili, no issue. My mutton curry is ready. My rice is ready. Before I go my lunch, I have one small question. How many packet of curry paste actually I add into my curry? If anybody get right, you will get 150 ringgit worth of Signature Market product. Make sure you be the lucky one for Deepavali. And I can't wait anymore. I need to go, guys. Deepavali Valtugal. Bye. Oh, I forget. I was so hungry. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like it, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay? Deepavali Valtugal. See you guys.